Now, we are going to discuss how is sun energy to supply electricity to our homes through solar energy. Let's do it. Our sun is a natural nuclear reactor. It releases tiny packets of energy called photons, which travels 93 million miles from the sun to the earth in about 8.5 minutes. Every hour, enough photons impact our planet to generate electricity. A solar panel works by absorbing sunlight through a solar cell and turn it into electricity. The direct current then travels from the panel through an inverter, which converts the energy into a usable electricity. As it reaches to the panel board of your home via wires and conduit, it's almost like having your own personal power plant on the roof of your home with an endless supply of clean energy. Here's are the main steps on how solar panel works for your home. A solar array can be defined as solar panels arranged in group to capture maximum amount of sunlight to convert it into a usable electricity. A charge controller or regulator is basically a voltage regulator to keep batteries from overcharging. It regulates the voltage coming from solar panels going to the battery. Most batteries need around 14 to 14.5 volts to get fully charged. A solar panel or PV inverter is a type of electrical converter which converts direct current output of a photovoltaic solar panel into an alternating current that can be fed into your home. Battery is a device that reserves energy for later consumption that is charged by a connected solar system. The stored electricity is consumed after sundown to our homes. Direct current DC is a continuous flow of electricity through a conductor such as a wire. Alternating current is an electric current that reverses its direction many times a second at a regular interval, typically used in our homes.